In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Time Doctor on Windows 10, ensuring a smooth process without any hassle. Whether you're switching to another time tracking tool or simply decluttering your apps, I'm here to guide you through every step so you can successfully uninstall Time Doctor in just a few minutes. To start off, unlock your Windows 10 device and navigate to the starting point, the Windows icon, which you'll find nestled in the bottom left corner of your screen. This icon is your gateway to everything Windows related, and when you click on it, a menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings. Settings is where you'll find the controls for changing system preferences and configurations, so it's your go-to for any app management tasks, including uninstallations. Once the Settings window opens, take a look at the options available. You'll want to find and click on Apps. This section is specifically designed to manage all the applications installed on your computer, from large programs to small utilities. Clicking on Apps will lead you to a list of all your installed apps and features. Now that you're in the Apps menu, it's time to search for Time Doctor. To do this efficiently, make use of the search bar provided at the top of the window. Type in Time Doctor, and the system will filter through the list to show you the app. Instead of manually scrolling through all your apps, this search feature saves you precious time. Once you've located Time Doctor in the list, you will see it highlighted. It's time to double-click on it. This action is crucial because it's not just about selecting the app. You need to make sure the system recognizes your intent to access more options. After you double-click, Windows will display an Uninstall button. The appearance of this button is your confirmation that you're ready to proceed with removal. Click on the Uninstall button, and shortly after, a series of prompts will appear. These prompts are there to guide you through the uninstallation process. Follow each prompt carefully, as they are designed to ensure that the app is fully uninstalled without leaving behind residual files that could clutter your system. Confirm any additional confirmations the system may ask, such as permissions to make changes or complete the process. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully uninstalled Time Doctor from your Windows 10 computer. Always remember that keeping only the apps you need not only frees up space, but also helps your system run more smoothly. I hope this guide was helpful, and feel free to check out our other content for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.